Hey everyone guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, we will talk today about how to build a website, and we continue our theme how to make a site on Wix service. So this video will be good for novices as well. I'm gonna tell you and show you all how actually this website builder works, what templates we will have right here, what actually the editor is, how it works correctly. So don't hesitate to watch this video episode and let's start our journey on Wix. So first of all, you need to do what? Design an account, which is actually for free. So you may practice right here. You may try how it works, how it works actually the ADI, how works the editor, what is better for you, what suits you, what template actually you will see right there, and actually what templates will be good for your product, for your service. And right now, clicking directly to the bottom of create new site, actually we will have one question: what kind of a website do you want to create? And it depends on category, on, for example, what actually you will represent on your website. For example, you have your personal business, so category for entrepreneurs, for business, right here, or designer, or fitness, or photography, music, and other. But I guess that today we will start from portfolio and CV, because it's just like a basic, and we will start from the basics, As I can say that, actually CV, actually you create like in PDF, but in website, actually create your personal website for a CV. It's also a very cool idea, I guess. So we will start from portfolio and CV, of course. So what we got right here, we need to choose how you want to create your website. So actually with the help of the ADI or with the help of the editor. Actually, what is ADI in Wix? ADI is the artificial intelligence, which actually can make your life easier. And if you don't have enough time to create your personal website, you don't want to be involved in this process, you don't want to control everything, you just need to answer simple questions, and the ADI will make actually a website for you. Or I would say, in case of if you would like to be involved in the process, to control all the elements, to make your personal website how you imagine in your head. Actually, the website, the Wix editor will be for you the best option, and we will start, of course, from the templates. So I can say that Wix made proud of beautiful templates, which we can actually get right here. They are updated and they made by professionals. So actually you can see also we have many categories such as business and services, stores, creative ones. Creative such as is divided, on photography, music, portfolio and CV, videos, creative arts, design and others, communities, blogs. So actually you will find that you need. If you cannot find exactly that you need, template, I can tell you, don't be so nervous about this, because you can, with the help of the editor, make the template that you would like to how you see it in your head, because you can delete sections, add sections, remake all the components, remake them. So actually don't hesitate to practice on Wix, because you can, and even you can do this for free, I tell you about many times. Okay, so for example, this is for a CV. And for example, we have a motivational speaker. Let's check the view. So this is actually the short video episode, which shows us actually the whole template, how it looks like. And if you don't like it, so you just looking for that template that you like. For example, let's start from the page number 5, what it shows us. And we have what? Fashion stylist, fashion designer portfolio, online resume, interior design portfolio, family photographer, food stylist, and others. For example, let's check the view of professional artists. So We have the animation right here, not so many sections, I would say. Yeah, everything is just in fashionable. Yeah. So if this actually template for you, you may start from this template. Let's watch a full demo how it looks like. And for me, of course, I adore that on Wix we have the adaptiveness of designs. Actually, for the desktop version we have, and of course for a mobile phone. Basically that is how it looks on actually the we have a perfect animation. Yep, on the desktop. Yep, and it looks for me really nice. And how it looks like on mobile phone. So let's check. Okay, so you see. So I guess that we will start our work with the editor with these templates. Why not? And clicking directly to the bottom of editing this site, we will work with the editor. And so on, guys, this is actually the editor, and I can say that the editor is very easy to understand, not so difficult. Everything is simple, and I can say that you can do everything by 2 clicks. So double click on each element and you will get actually your settings. So you will have some buttons such as edit text or get text ideas. Yep. And if we're talking about editing the text, everything is very simple. You can change the headings, you can change the fonts, for example, like just to this one. You may change, for example, I would say the size, yeah, the color, of course. And in our case, color, let it be to be honest, let it be this one. Okay. So you may do this bold. You can do some bullets and numbering, but no matter. Actually, I just want to prove you that working with the text, everything is very simple. Yeah, and actually, that is how you can do this. The only thing for me and for you, I guess, that you need just to get more practice. Especially you can do this for free. So I'm clicking directly to the menu section. Yep. Right here we have actually our pages. You can actually rename these pages or change, for example, the design. Here we have a bottom of design, and actually we can change it to this one, or for example to this one. I would say, yeah, for this is perfect. Or wait a sec, please. Okay, okay, let it be this, because this is just so, I would say, simple. Yeah. So basically that is how you can work. You can add the animation such as guiding. Yeah. So basically let's play. Yeah, and you see how it looks like. So basically it's just like a part of a game. So for me it's very interesting. It's like editing a picture, you know. That's why I adore Wix, because you have actually good templates which are ready for use, and the only thing for you may actually remake this template, and that's all. Okay, so basically right here we have a pictures. If you would like, you can create, not create, you can change the picture, yeah, or you can change the background, the paragraphs. I've already shown you how you can work with the text. So actually here we have 3 images, yeah, and clicking directly to this, you can change some images, yeah. You can change it. For example, I have some images from my laptop, and we will actually upload my images, but of course you have media from Wix, and you have media from Shutterstock, and you have media from Unsplash, and you may use some of them for free. So this is also a perfect opportunity in case if you don't have actually your personal images, but if you have, so you may use your personal one, and I guess I will do the same. So basically this is the picture that was in my laptop, and right now I guess that we will locate it directly right here, and you see that Actually, you can change your picture if you are also a makeup artist. So basically you can right here locate your personal portfolio and your works, and of course you can give the explanation of your works or the story, how you see it actually. So basically that is how it looks like, all the same, portfolio, pictures, clicking directly to each element and you will actually change all of this. By the way, you can work simultaneously with the desktop and actually to mobile device. And by the way, on the left side, you actually will see these tools are the main tools to work with them with the Wix editor. So basically, the first one is responsible for menus and pages. The second one is responsible for page background, so you can get the animation or video or color. Yep. In our case, we have actually white color, but we can do this just like to this color or this color, and just you see that actually is okay. Let's just say save the settings in this color. So actually that is how it looks like, yeah. Or you can change actually to the background photos and images, but to be honest, in these templates they are not don't suit to this actually template. Okay, or you can use your personal video. So basically this tool is responsible for page background. Then plus sign is responsible for some elements, buttons, galleries, social bars, menus, video and music, and you can add actually it. For example, video and music, yep, and where I can locate it. Okay, so for example, I would love to add right here the video, but I would love to add Wix video, and what I can add. Okay, so cool elements, and why not? And we can left it even right here. And this element, if it's, no, it's not the element. Okay, so basically this is like this image, and let's change play button to no, it won't be good. Okay, to this way. And so basically you have this widget, this element, which will be as a reason, yep, as a part of the content. Why not? It may be. So actually plus sign is responsible for some media elements which you can successfully add to your website. This is the theme manager, which is responsible for the text and for the color palette. So it depends on your taste, how you see it, how you like it. The next one is actually Wix App Market, and to be honest, Wix App Market, it's really nice thing because it's a built-in app market which has many cool applications, and this application may make your life easier on Wix, but you know, it will be perfect for you if you work with Wix most of your time. You have many websites, or you have or you would like to create a website. So basically this apps will be good for you if you are a novice in this sphere. So to be honest, I don't know if it will suit you, but you may try. The next one is media, but you can successfully upload the media from your, I would say, social pages accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Google Photos, and others. Even you have your personal photo studio and video maker right here. You can use some free Wix images, videos from also Wix or Shutterstock or Unsplash and others. Yep. Here we have actually the opportunity to start personal blog. The other one, start taking online bookings, and the last one, Ascent, is good for the entrepreneurs because you can upload your SEO settings or set up your personal SEO settings to watch analytics and reports what's going on right here. Yep, email marketing, social posts, everything is right here in this tool, so be responsible for that. Yeah, but if you don't want to be responsible for this, you have the opportunity just to hire actually an expert on Wix who will help you with this for you difficult task. So for me, actually, Wix has impressive layouts which are designed for small business and restaurants, online stores, and artists such as musicians and photographers, and all the templates, they are optimized for mobile devices and can be spiced up. One of the numerous apps available from the Wix app market. It has a perfect ADI, which is artificial intelligence, which will help you to build your personal website, or even you can do this by yourself with the help of very simple, intuitive, I would say, drag and drop editor. And of course, actually, you may start your personal journey on Wix for free, and these are main advantages for me that I tell you right now in this video episode. And I guess that this is the end of this video episode. I'm waiting for your feedback. I'm waiting for your actually personal opinion. What do you think about Wix, or you use the other actually website builder services? And actually, have you ever made a website? How do you think that is very simple or maybe very difficult for you, and you don't want to do this by yourself, by your own? So I'm waiting for your response and comments, and I guess that we will see each other in another video episode. Thank you for your attention, and bye.